finally Candace, my gorgeous bride and now my wife. Those closest to us know already, but I remember the day the world changed, the day we first met. The first time we locked eyes, that day 3 years ago. I knew this would lead into today. I knew we were going to get married. I fell in love with you from the start, and I've never fallen out of it. But were you going to feel the same way is definitely what I thought, and I was worried. Pretty quickly, we both knew this was different. It all started with our nightly meetups. No, not those ones, for those that... But the ones at 12 a.m., again, not those ones. After we would finish work, one of our shifts, we both worked 4 to midnights, off and on. We would meet up every single night just to say goodnight, just to say goodbye. I knew there was something special then. To the many nights we spent outside with a glass of sparkling wine, calling those our sparkling nights. I'm a better man because of you. Thank you for loving all of me. Candace, I love you with all my heart. You look so incredibly beautiful today, and I mean that. I didn't just write it. I love you, and I'll always love you till my last breath.
I, Jeremy.
I, Candace.
Take you, Candace.
Take you, Jeremy.
To be my wife.
To be my husband.
I promise to be faithful to you.
From good times and in bad.
In sickness and in health.
To love and to honor you.
All the days of my life.
All the days of my life.
It gives me great joy to present to all of you for the first time, Mr. and Mrs. Jeremy Stortz.
Jer, I want to start this off telling you how proud I am of you. Even though as kids, you beat me up 3 to 4 times a week, always looked up to you. Today, as your little brother, I'm honored to be standing here as your best man.
Jeremy, thank you for making my BFF the happiest girl in the world. And honestly, the way Candace talked about you, Jeremy, I knew that you were the one.
You said, Mom, you will love her. She's special. And well, you were right. She is special and more. Today, I am grateful that you are the man that Candace can count on. She's funny, smart, and beautiful, inside and out.
Julie and Dave, you've raised an amazing man who I now get to call my husband. He has a heart of gold, and I'm so lucky.
Dave and Jill, where do I begin? I feel like I have a lifetime of things to say thank you for. But today I want to thank you for having raised the girl of my dreams. You both know this already, but Candace is the most caring girl I've ever met. I'm truly blessed to call your daughter my wife.